country. What we're talking about here is this Kangen water, a brand of alkaline water that thousands of Kiwis, in fact millions of people all over the world, are turning to for help.
So no matter what you think, the success stories are very hard to look past. So is it snake oil or the real deal? Rachel Parkin investigates.
3 years ago, this would have left Derek in agony.
I was really a wreck.
Now he's a machine.
And I'll turn about 350 of those in a day.
See, Derek used to be crippled by arthritis, prostate cancer, hypertension and a rare lung condition.
Had lung surgeries on both sides.
Life was so rough, he was also depressed. Then he heard about this special water, Kangen water, and the machines that turn the humble tap stuff into H2O with a healing difference. What is Kangen water?
So they changed the structure from a pentagonal molecular structure to a hexagonal structure.
Here's the dummy's guide to the Kangen claims. 1. Those fandangle hexagonal molecules, they say, equal quick hydration. 2. Bulk antioxidants, that's the good stuff in fruit and veg. 3. High in alkaline.
It's made me more mobile, a lot fitter, being able to get through the day without pain pills at all.
Derek's PSA levels have also dropped.
So it's not snake oil?
It's, well, look, if it's snake oil, I'm going to keep drinking it.
So is Sally Cooper, sitting right at the top of the company's multi-level marketing table, but claims the real reward is in making people well. This is a demonstration for the curious, brought along by the already converted.
I just need some help, because I'm so sick.
Oh, that's not good. What does it do for you?
Menopause, taken away the symptoms.
So if it is so great, why don't doctors back it?
Well, a lot of them do, but it's quite new here in New Zealand.
The Japanese, though, all over the water, with machines even in hospitals. And in the States, Sally tells us they're all the rage with the rich and famous.
Brad Pitt has one.
Ooh.
Jack Nicholson
Now you've got me.
has one.
OK, so celeb endorsements.
The results are what count.
What would you say to skeptics?
Try the water, see what happens.
So you can't ask for more than that, can you?
You can't.
You know, so
We're not
you want to
pushing
try
it.
it. Try it. If you don't try it, don't try it.
Yeah, and if it works for you, then it works for you. It's
Yeah.
like a lot of things in life.
You've got friends who've got the proper Japanese thing, and they swear by it. Absolutely swear
You
by it.
just described
And
flavoured water.
well, it's just readjustment of water.
Okay.
That's all it is. And so it's how your body accepts it and deals with it, etc. Because water is the fountain of life and youth.